So we went to Toys R Us today, and we were specifically looking for the Muppets figures, but we ended up getting a couple of these, the 30390 Dinosaur Market Poly Bags. And they look really cool because they have like the translucent amber mosquito brick and little baby dinosaur there in an egg. So we wanted those bricks, so we got 2 of them. And I was able to retrieve the last 15 minifigures of the Muppets. Yes, it's all they had left. He said they were sold out on day 1, within an hour of all the Muppet figures that they had. Someone came in and bought a lot of them, and then he said this was the second bunch, and they pretty much sold out of all of them except these 17, and well, I bought them, so now they're sold out again. So I have no idea what is in there, which ones we got, so we're going to go now and we're going to open them up and we shall see. Please join me at the table for the opening. Package 1. Haha. The old guy. Put him there. Swedish Chef. The other fellow. Stadler, Waldorf, and the Swedish Chef. Okay, another old fellow. Waldorf, I think that's Waldorf. We'll put him there as the spare. Bunsen Honeydew. Alright, another Bunsen Honeydew. That's cool because 1 and 2 of them ones. Kermit. That's good, another Kermit. Janice. Yeah, Janice, she's cool. See who we got. Oh, it's Ralph. Yeah, we got Ralph. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not bad. Not bad so far. Gonzo. Excellent. Makes 8. Fuzzy Beer. 9. Miss Piggy. Awesome. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Animal, okay, my day is made. Animal in the drum kit. We only need 1 more for the complete set, and that will be, who will it be? Beaker. Beaker, that's it. That's all we need is Beaker. And we'll have the complete set. Hopefully we got Beaker. I don't know. Won't that be cool? We got 4 more to go, so we'll see. And we got Beaker, so that means we do have now the complete set. So everything else is just gravy. So these 3 here are gravy. So let's see what we got. Another Janice. Cool. Stadler, the old guy, or Waldorf, I don't know which one it is. So now we got a complete set, the 2 of them guys, extra. And another Gonzo, beautiful. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do with the extras quite yet. May trade them, may put them in my Brinkley store, or may give them to my wonderful child. We'll see. Anyway, and then we got, of course, like I said, this one here. It's got the mosquito cube and the dinosaur and the egg. More or less just wanted it for those parts there. We are going to build Fuzzy Bear and get Fuzzy together. So there's Fuzzy. And now we just put his mic stand together, because every good comedian bear has to have their mic stand. And if I do this right, there we go. And he has the banana. I don't know why he has the banana. I don't remember ever seeing him with a banana. Maybe he did. I don't know. Anyway, that's Fuzzy Bear. Now we're going to do Beaker, so he can go along with his buddy Dr. Bunsen Honeydew. And he's got a walkie-talkie, and it looks like a remote control Geiger counter or something. Anyway, that's kind of cool. So there's him and Dr. Bunsen with his Beaker. Pretty cool, eh? And now, we got Kermit the Frog. I love Kermit's banjo. That's pretty neat. And they have little knobs in the back so you can put them in their hands. That's really cool. And he has his rainbow connection that he always sings about. So there we go. There's Kermit. And of course he should be with his lady, Miss Piggy. Miss Piggy. With his lady, Miss Piggy. Okay, and now we got Ralph. Ralph. Good name for a dog, I guess. And there's Ralph there. And Ralph has the head bust of Mozart, because Ralph is the piano playing dog. And he got his book of music, which is a printed tile too, which is actually printed pretty cool, because you don't usually find them without stickers. And then we got okay, I'm going to leave that guy till later. We've got Mr. Swedish Chef here, and oh, that's a tomato. Okay, work the bork. And I still think my favorite episode of the Swedish Chef, when he was chasing around a moose and he was trying to make chocolate mousse, and he was going, "Here the moosey, here the moosey." That was one of my favorite. And there's the Swedish Chef with his little smiley tomato. Okay, and now we got Stadler and Waldorf.
And I can never remember which one is which, but I think Stadler is this guy here. And I'm going to tell you a little thing about this. Now he comes with an extra cup of tea and saucer. So that's rather cool. And he's also got the Z's plate tile, because he's always asleep. And yeah, so that's him. Now his counterpart, we'll do him. And I'm going to tell you a little story about these guys in real life, okay? Because it's really funny. And this guy got a laptop, and on the laptop is a printed keyboard, and he's got Scooter on it. I don't know why he would have a laptop. I don't know, just to keep track of the show, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, in real life, the story goes, we here in our province had the former premier, and he looked like this guy. Our top doctor here looked like this guy. And there was a meme going around of these two guys, as these two guys being the Muppets, and that they were puppets in real life. And here's the picture of them, and you can see the resemblance. So they were acting rather stupid when COVID first started, so it kind of resembled these guys in a lot, and they were made fun of a lot. So this is what the meme came out to be, Stadler and Waldorf. But it was really funny, and I think they even got a chuckle out of it as well at the beginning, of course. Yeah, there's the great Gonzo with his chicken, Camilla. That's a pretty cool figure. I love the nose on him. And the chili pepper shirt. Now we have the team of Dr. Bunsen Honeydew and his pal Beaker, of course. Well, he's got two Beakers with him. Can you spot the second one? I've already hinted to it. But I wonder if Bunsen is actually glow in the dark. Let's just turn the light out for a second and see. I don't think he is, but let's see. No, I don't think. He's just green. It really looked like it was glow in the dark. Sort of a lime green. Pretty cool anyway. Alright. Now, another one of my favorite characters. The Ork the Bork, the Swedish Chef. And his tomato. I wonder if the tomato talks. Most of his food talks, so I think it was pretty cool. And of course we got Ralph. And Ralph has his music note sheet and his bust of Beethoven, or one of the great music greats. And it's no joke, it's Fozzie Bear. Waka waka waka. I still don't know why he's got a banana. I'm going to have to do some Columbo-like research and find that one out, because I really don't know. And Janice, man, she was pretty hip. You know, in that band, Muppet, in the Muppets band. I think it was Mayhem or something. I can't remember. But it was pretty cool. Pretty cool Dr. Teeth. Electric Mayhem or something like that. And of course, Animal. And there's his teeth and his drum and his cymbal. And he uses the Harry Potter wands for drumsticks. So that's pretty cool. Now, I don't know if he'd get away with it now, but back when the Muppets first come out, he'd be chasing people around like Janice here, and he'd be going, "Woman, woman," and the guests on the show as well. Don't know if he'd get away with that so much now. And, well, we have Miss Piggy, and Miss Piggy has a magazine of herself on the cover, so, you know, I don't know what magazine that would be. Don't even want to figure it out. I'm not even going to try. And, of course, we have her main frog, Kermit, with his banjo and his Rainbow Connection macaroni tile piece. And both his banjo and Janice's guitar have knobs on the back so you can put them on their hands and they won't fall off. That's really super cool. And the detail on them is pretty good too, and they're printed. Of course, there's no stickers, and there's no stickers in any of these collectible minifigures. So that's perfect. And that's the whole set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I think the count would be proud that I can get up to a dozen. And I did have 5 doubles. So anyway, I'm glad I got the full set. I took a real chance on that, buying those today. And like there was 18 left, and I just didn't want to feel for them and go through it all. And I probably would have missed the complete set. So I just said, okay, I'm going to buy the whole works of them. And I did, and I'm glad I did. That's the haul, that's the build. Talk to you guys again very shortly in the next video with a really cool video coming up about, I think his last name begins with Fett.